please. Easy.
Today marks a significant milestone in our ongoing commitment to ensuring the safety and security of our beloved River State. Stand before you fulfilled with gratitude as we gather to commission these 100 vehicles, a generous donation from our esteemed governor. Your Excellency, sir, your unwavering support for the Nigerian Police Force and dedication to the welfare of our community is truly commendable. This act of generosity not only enhances our operational capacity, but also reflects your deep concern for the citizens of the state. These vehicles will empower our officers, enabling them to respond more swiftly and effectively to emergencies and enhance our community policing efforts. With your support, sir, we are reinforcing our resolve to combat crime and uphold the rule of law. On behalf of the entire Rivers State Police Command, I express our heartfelt appreciation for your leadership, your commitment to our safety. Together, we will continue to work tirelessly and ensure that Rivers State remains a safe and secure place for all. Thank you, sir, Your Excellency. Thank you all for being here today as we embark on this important journey together. Thank you.
Honorable Commissioner for Police, Rivers State, and all the senior officers that are here with you, including the general public that are also here to witness this show of appreciation by the Rivers State government. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me return this achievement to the Commissioner of Police. Honestly speaking, it wasn't my idea because I was working on getting a very high profile vehicles for the police and other security agencies in the state. But the CP advised that he did it sometime in Lagos, that we should adopt that model by acquiring these other vehicles you're seeing here, the Sienna and the other Camrys, or Corolla, as they call them. And I bought into the idea. And why are we doing this? We discovered that response to crime scene, to attack, and to other lot of things were being slowed because you lack mobility. And what we just did was a first phase of support to the Nigerian police. We also intend to come again to give you other sophisticated vehicles to support what you're doing. I need to say this so you understand. When you came into River State and I have my encounter with you, I requested for only one thing. I will never ask you to do what is wrong. Do what is right. Protect the life and property of River State. Don't be partisan. We have seen those people that are partisan, how they ended. And I'm saying it here. Every one of you here, as an officer that is being partisan, you will see how you will end. I'm saying it here. Work in such a way that when your name are mentioned in this state, or your children come to this state, you won't be scared. It's important. Forget about what is happening. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. As a professional that you are, your duty is to protect life and property of Rivers State. It's not to protect any individual. It's not to be one-sided in the affair or political affair of the state. The politics will come and it will go. The enmity you're creating, for those of you that are partisan, will live with you forever. So I want to advise you, for me, I've said it before, I'm saying it again, I will never ask any of you to do what is wrong. My appeal is stand on the ethics of your profession. Protect life and property of Rivers people. Be fair to all. For we as a government will continue to support you, because if you are not our friend, is it the criminal that will be our friend? So we need to accommodate you. We need to tolerate you. We need to work with you so that at the end, people can live freely, move freely, and do their business freely in Rivers State. My Honorable CP, like I said before, privately, I'm saying it again. I want to appreciate you. We'll give you all the support to succeed. We'll give you all the support to make a better name, that when you live here, I'm very sure God will elevate you positively. Let me on this note thank every one of you. This is not a big show. Ordinarily, I wouldn't have been here, but the CP insisted. I wanted him to issue the vehicles to you people, but he insisted that I should come and see for myself. So, well, it's still okay. I give all the glory to the Almighty God. Let me, on behalf of the government and the good people of Rivers State, officially dedicate and hand over these vehicles to the Nigerian Police Force, Rivers State Command. Vehicle will be used for the good of the people of Rivers State. Shown it, Father, God, Son, and God the Holy Spirit.